Hello, my YouTube friends. This is Richard, founder of Short-Term Rental University and Airbnb Superhost. Today I'm coming to you live from, well, it's a little bit gray, but I was going to say sunny Jackson Hole. How about snowy Jackson Hole? It was dumping all morning. So you've obviously seen the title of this video, and I just want to get it out of the way. The reason that we're creating this video is because I read an article in Bloomberg about how much an average YouTuber makes. Charles saw a video Casey Neistat filmed about how much a YouTuber makes, and we just wanted to share it with the audience. So a really good day for Short-Term Rental University on YouTube is about $12 per day. On average, it's a little bit lower, maybe it's 10 or thereabouts, but if you do the math, and I've actually done the math, it's about $4,000 per year. Not bad, but certainly nothing to write home about. I mean, for instance, the camera equipment that we're filming this all on costs more than that. So why am I telling you this? Well, think about what it is that you're doing. If you're an Airbnb host or you want to become an Airbnb host and you're only doing it for the money, there's a really strong likelihood that you may burn out or get frustrated or quit, and you may never actually make it to your goal. There's probably something that's a little bit more passion-filled that you could sustain for longer, that might make the same amount of money or more. But if you're only doing things for the money, I don't think that really works out. So try and figure out why you're doing this. I hope you're finding it really great to host people and meeting people and rewarding that people love your home and that you reinvest in your home and you fix and you decorate. Like, if you're doing it for those reasons, then the money's a bonus, and you can take that bonus and reinvest it and grow your business. But if it's purely for the money, I don't think you'll ever find it rewarding enough, because it is hard work and there is a grind. This isn't about fast money or easy money. It's work. But if you enjoy the work and you enjoy the hospitality and the camaraderie and the friendship, and you're on our Facebook group and you're meeting other like-minded hosts, then it's fantastic, right? Why do Charles and I spend so much time? Why does he fly out here? Why do we have all this equipment? And the upside is $4,000 in YouTube revenue plus, a little bit in membership and sheets and so on. Well, it's a deeper why, and that's why I ask all of you to think about your why, because it's what sustains us. We've been doing this now for over 52 weeks. We plan on doing it for 52 more, and then another 52, and then another 52. I shared with you the new YouTube studio that we just, signed a lease for. That's a 12-month lease, and that's expensive. And so the reason that we create these YouTube videos is to hopefully inspire, shine a light, give a ray of hope, show people that there's another way of doing things. I'm not your average guy. I'm long hair and funny glasses, and it's cool, works for me. This is my why. I want to be out here. I want to be climbing that mountain in the sun, in the summer, in the winter. I want to be skinning up it and skiing down, and I'm living it. And the reason I'm able to do all of this stuff is because I march to my own drum, right? I'm self-employed. And the reason I'm able to do that is because I started a long time ago taking different calculated bets, seeing opportunity, taking chances, believing in myself, and laying the fundamental groundwork. And I think for the average person, starting to monetize via Airbnb and short-term rentals and real estate is a great way to do it. And that's my why. One day, YouTube may pay me $16 a day, or maybe even $20 a day. It's not really going to change my life. So I'm not really doing it for that. But I'll take it, right? Thank you, YouTube. Anyway, I just want to let you guys know we're pumped to be out here. We're starting new businesses. We're doing a lot of great filming. And I'm hopeful that this is giving you guys ideas and inspiration and thoughts, and that you take your own chances and you try your own things. Why wouldn't you? You live once, remember? One life. Anyway, like the video, please. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Tell your friends. And until next time, happy hosting.